Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to replace a photo in Canva. It's a super handy skill that saves time when updating templates or refreshing your designs. Let's get started. First, open your design in the Canva editor. On the left-hand panel, click on the Uploads button. This is where all your images and media files are stored. At the top of the panel, click on Upload Files. Select the photo from your computer, then click Open. Canva will show a progress bar while it uploads, and the image will appear in your media library once it's ready. Now, find the image in your design that you want to replace. Simply drag your newly uploaded photo from the Uploads panel and drop it directly on top of the old one. Canva will automatically fit it into the placeholder. If needed, click on the photo to adjust its position. Use the resize handles to crop, scale, or reposition until the layout looks perfect. Once you're happy with the replacement, make sure to save your work. Canva automatically saves changes, but it's always good to double check. And that's it. Replacing photos in Canva is quick and effortless once you know where to look. This simple skill will make updating templates and designs a breeze. Thanks for watching and happy designing.